Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, it's a list of things you're going to be needing for this video. You're going to use a scissors. I have my hair here, it's crystal in the color purple. I'm just going to open my hair packet. It comes in two like this. I'm going to take one of the bundles and then I'm going to cut it into four. And then I'm going to start teasing the hair because I do not want it to be blunt. I want it to be very light and airy. So I'm just going to tease it by pulling the hair like this. And then after I've teased the whole bunch of the hair, I'm going to take a brush and then I'm just going to brush it out so that everything is smooth and tangle free. I'm going to use some wool thread or yarn as people call it, and then I'm going to take this really old chair. I'm just going to tie the yarn. I'm going to double the yarn and then I'm going to tie it to both ends of the chair. So you're going to make sure that it's not really tense. And then you're just going to take your piece of hair and you're going to loop it around the thread. It's pretty much self-explanatory, but like I said, you take your piece of hair and you loop it around the thread. I'm going to repeat this process really slowly so that you see. You're going to take a tiny bunch of hair and then you're going to loop it and then you're going to pull it all around the thread so that it forms like a weft. I'm going to do it all over and then I'm going to come back. I'm back after continuing to do this in the whole long line, and this is how it looks like. So I'm just going to continue the same process, looping the thread, looping the hair around the thread, and just continuing in that long line. So this is the end of my rope. Literally, I did do two different ropes. I don't know. I did do two different ropes. I separated them into two, and at the end of each rope I'm just going to tie it like this so that it's nice and secured. And then I'm going to take everything out and using my hair straightener, making sure that it's on and it's on low heat, I'm going to press it down on the top part, the place where you looped the hair. So first you're going to make sure that your hair is secured and it's not going to strain you, and then you're just going to start pressing it up on the top part of the hair where you did loop the hair on the thread. And you're doing this because if you do knot the hair just generally, it's going to unravel. So when you melt it like this, because the hair is synthetic fiber, it's going to melt and then it's going to stay hard and it's not going to be able to move up and down when you are brushing the hair or tugging the hair. It's not going to unravel. So I'm going to keep doing this until I reach the end, and this is how it looks like. I'm just going to take off this end and then tie it as I did with the first end, and we are basically done. It is so simple, just very simple. So this is how it looks like at the end, and I'm pretty much proud of it. This is how it looks, all the two bundles of hair I did do, and I'm really proud. If you like this video, don't forget to comment down below and all the good stuff. I did go ahead and make a wig out of it. I'm going to be posting that video later this week, so you guys be on the lookout. And that's basically it for this video. As you can see, it's very simple, it's fun, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, share with your friends, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you next week. Also, do not forget to follow me on my socials and everything. Bye.